We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for you to smash that like button. Tell them you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc., and the stock continues to struggle holding itself up, breaking through support levels and going lower, but it wasn't the only stock falling. The overall market continued to pull downwards, and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot since 8:45 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options going into the bell and into the day went up 3 to 5x within hours, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our Tesla bot that just got released, and we have other bots on the way. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving that edge and clarity over the charts. So Bbig stock here, breaking through support levels and trying to find a bottom, and every single time it's hit extreme weakness, it tries to bounce back up. We're going to talk about some key levels in today's video, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave jumps to 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was MITQ. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards, got that bear indicator towards the bell, and right after quickly shifted into strength on 42 Vision, got that confirmation with that bull indicator, and went up a highest point of 30% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc., and every single time it's hit extreme weakness, it tries to bounce back up, right? Continuing to pull downwards and find a support. Now, in both of these last two runs, it's jumped up 5 to 10%, and in the most recent one, it is trying to bring itself up 3 to 5% within the move as well. So there's a lot of weakness in the overall trend to the downside, and every single time on the 30-minute it's hit white with red borders, it tries to push itself back up, and here we are at a newer low and getting closer to key support levels that we need to watch and the 52-week low. So we're going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive that edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So we've been under a bear indicator here on the 30-minute since $2.60, and it's been pulling downwards, and we're down now nearly 20% plus at these lows here of 227 to 226. It's going to be important to look at this area because it's broken through a key support level of 228, 227 give or take, and if it can't bring itself back up above that, we need to then watch 210, 211 as we've talked about in the previous videos as the key levels to be aware of. But we're going to talk about to the upside as well in just a moment. But let me share with you guys what's going on in the bigger picture, right? So on the 4-hour, this has been under a bear indicator since $3.05. And every single time we've hit white with red borders, it has not been past 3 bars consecutively before bringing itself back up, right? And it jumps about a 20 to 30% plus move. And then so far, we have actually reached now 5 of these to 6 of these consecutively, and it's in a dip area based off the 30-minute and the 4-hour, making it very interesting for a possible bounce. Now, it has actually been under a bear indicator since $3, but the overall trend is trying to find a bottom or support, and it's going to be important to stay above $2 in the bigger picture of things. But this area here is always important to be watching it. With 42 Vision, I'm going to be watching it closely because there could be a dead cat bounce or a momentum move. And the most important part is if we do get a momentum move or a dead cat bounce, that we get a bull indicator in the process and full transitions to cancel out this bear indicator. But right now, we are in extreme weakness based off the 4-hour and on the 30-minute. But on the 1 day, we just got a bear indicator yesterday. And this is what we were watching in the bigger picture of things every single video, how this bull indicator was holding true from $2.32 all along this pullback. We even reached red bars, and if it brought itself back up and no bear indicator popped up, this was holding true. But if it continued that trend and that bear indicator popped up, this was going to get canceled out, and we could see this try to test newer lows. And it's broken through that point where at 232 that bull indicator popped up. So right now, the most important thing is for this to find a support, a bottom area, or consolidate in this area and try to bring itself back up to start doing that staircase effect to the upside as the bulls try to bring the momentum back to the upside away from $2. Now, if it gets closer to 52-week range or $2 range, that's going to be important. As I stated earlier in the video, 210 is a key level I'll be watching. But to the upside, we really want to see this break above 241, the high of the day, and most importantly up here 245, and then we can start talking about higher levels based off the history of the chart, and in the process cancel out this bear indicator and get a bull indicator as well. Those are going to be some important things to watch going into next week. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.